Want to revitalize your raised garden bed but don't want to spend money on bags of soil? Today, I'll show you how to top up your raised garden bed with simple, cost-effective, and eco-friendly alternatives to soil. Let's get started. Raised garden beds are a gardener's dream, but over time the soil level drops due to decomposition and harvesting. Instead of adding new soil, let's use organic materials to rebuild and nourish your garden bed. Start by layering kitchen scraps directly into your garden bed. Things like fruit peels, coffee grounds, and veggie trimmings are rich in nutrients and break down into compost over time. Next, top it off with yard waste. Dry leaves, grass clippings, and small branches create a perfect carbon-rich layer. This helps balance the nitrogen in the kitchen scraps. Add a layer of cardboard or newspapers. This acts as a weed barrier and helps retain moisture. Make sure to remove any tape or plastic from the cardboard. Now sprinkle a layer of aged manure or compost. This enriches the bed with essential nutrients and kickstarts the decomposition process for the layers below. Finally, add a layer of mulch such as straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves. Mulch insulates the bed, prevents weeds, and keeps everything moist. And there you have it! Your raised garden bed is now topped up and ready to nurture your plants without needing extra soil. Not only is this method budget-friendly, but it also recycles waste and creates a sustainable garden ecosystem. Give it a try and watch your plants thrive. Subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.